Hi guys, don't let mom and dad struggle. As we age, our bodies change. Injuries, chronic pain, and declining health can make everyday tasks a challenge. That's where the Aotedor Mobility Scooter comes in. With its lightweight design, only 36 pounds, advanced all-terrain motor, and comfortable seating, this scooter is perfect for navigating uneven terrain, short trips, or just cruising around the neighborhood. Imagine being able to spend more time with your loved ones, enjoy the great outdoors, and stay active without worrying about mobility. That's what the Aotedor Mobility Scooter can offer. If you're looking for a reliable, affordable, and hassle-free mobility solution for your parents, I recommend checking out the Aotedor Mobility Scooter. Trust me, it's worth it. Visit our website, medicalcollective.com, and start exploring how this amazing scooter can improve their lives. Remember, independence is just a ride away. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Link in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.